Yan, kape-kape muna tayo.
Sarap.
Alas 9 yung procedure niya. Anong oras na ba ngayon? Magpa 5:30 ng umaga. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yan. Ngayon ay November 27, 2024. Dapat 7:30 nandun na tayo. 9 o'clock ang procedure.
Hindi naman talaga siya, major surgery. Minor surgery lang naman siya. Actually, hindi naman nga siya required. Gusto lang talaga namin ipatanggal.
Ito, dito na kami sa John Hunter. It's Ada's procedure day. Ang oras na 6 minutes. Kailangan 7:30 nandun na kami. Dito na kami sa ward. Na-orient na din kung anong gagawin. Oh, si Ada. Hi ka, Ada. Kinakabahan ka ba? Oo, kinakabahan ako.
Si Daddy yung kinakabahan. Okay lang yan.
Ikaw ba, Mami? Hindi ka kinakabahan?
Hindi. Nababa.
Hi. Teka, hi. Hello. Kuya, kinakabahan ka? Are you nervous about Ada's procedure? Yes?
A little bit. Funky.
Ang blankie. Ayan yung comfort blankie niya. Ayan siya, oh. Parang di operahan na, eh, oh. Ada! So, ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa operating theater. Ayan.
Focus on that new video. We're going to do the mask. Do you want to do this? So the best way here would be to have little Adeline hold and cuddle that. Perfect. Imagine you're giving them the injections, you know, immunisations. All right. Adeline. You let her head go. Don't you support her head. Just hold her hand, Mummy, and let us do the rest. Because that's... She doesn't want Mummy doing that. So, that's the best thing. All right,
It's okay, Mama. I want.
that's all right. You're doing a great job, Mum. I'm going straight to 8.
It's okay. It's okay,
Shove
my
me
Papa.
to
It's okay, darling. It's okay, love.
this precious little girl that's got so much drive in her. We knew that she was going to complain.
It's okay. It's okay.
So that's good. Mummy, if you want to start giving her a little rock, look at you. Like you would if you were looking after her.
It's okay, my love. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
That's it. It's getting into her now.
It's okay. It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
There we go. Because we're going to need to lie her up there, Mum. You're going to... Did we start it? Yes.
Oh, anong masasabi mo sa experience natin bilang magulang?
Okay lang naman. New experience na ayoko nang pagdaanan ulit. Kasi parang hindi naman siya lumalaki.
Oo nga, pero kasi ang pangit niya, lalo na babae pa siya.
May option na siya paglaki niya. Kung gusto niya patanggal.
Ako kasi ayoko nang lumaki muna siya, tas habang bata siya, mabubuli. Pwede kasi siyang mabuli talaga, tas babae pa.
Nasa pagpapalaki mo din kasi yun.
Oo nga, pero iba pa rin.
Kung paano niya i-accept yun, at kung paano niya i-handle yun.
Talagang nag-aaway pa kami, ano? Nasa na kami procedure na. Kumbaga, hinihintay na lang namin matapos. So,
bakit naman ako? Meron din naman ako.
Hindi naman prominent yung sa'yo, tulad nung sa kanya. Kasi yung sa kanya talagang makikita mo. Kaya parang bilang magulang, ikaw, poprotektahan mo na din agad yung anak mo sa mga ganong bagay. Choice mo muna yun dahil siya, di pa siya makapag-decide sa sarili niya.
Basta ako,
nag-aaway pa. Ako hindi, okay lang sa akin. So, pakabit mo na ulit.
Tawagin mo na ulit.
Tawagin mo, pakabit mo.
Palabasin mo na ulit.
Ikabit natin sa'yo.
Gisingin mo na ulit siya.
Ikabit natin sa'yo, no? Ali, how about you? What can you say about Ada's procedure? Removing her, AirPods or Bluetooth.
One couple.
What can you say about it? Are you happy with it?
No.
No, why are you not happy?
Sad.
Why are you sad?
Others getting hurt.
No, she will have anesthesia. She will not feel it.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
So what can you say about it?
I'm happy now.
You're happy na? Bilis magbago ng isip.
Ayan, wala na. Wala na kunti. Saan yung isa? Yung isa. Wala na. No more Bluetooth. Ano yun? Ano ba yun? Ay, huwag mong tanggalin yan.
Magmomol na kami. Para wala nangyari. Momol na. Mall na si Ada. Huwag muna kayo lang, Ali. Thank you, Lord, for the safe procedure.
One eternity later.
Hi, guys. Update. Update. Magaling na yung sa tenga niya. Hindi na yung ears mo. Ayun na yung sa ears niya. Show mo yung other ear. Ayun. Wala nang kuntil. Wala nang Bluetooth. Galing naman.